Want to get a Slack notification when somebody does something in your system? Let me show you a couple ways. Create a go high level workflow, and this one right here says, okay, if the customer responds in any type of way, we want to get a message. Click the plus, search for Slack, and click on Slack. Then you're just going to sign in and create your message, and boom, you have a message. The second way, you can create a webhook right here and do a custom webhook. But then you got to get make.com or Zapier involved to where it catches the webhook and goes and puts it in Slack. Lastly, you could do some custom code like what we did right here, to where it takes some parameters that are inside of this code and goes, oh, okay, boom, here we go, send this message. Messages right here. This is a basic task, but it helps take you out of the loop with having to go have your team go connect the message and go put it into Slack so everyone knows and stuff like that. So which one should you use? I'm gonna break it down. So the Slack notification in Go High Level, that's great if you're keeping a lot of the notifications and stuff in Go High Level. It's built in, it costs a penny per shot. It is what it is. But if you have a couple other systems that you want to throw their message into, or some things that don't natively connect into Go High Level or have a tough time connecting in, then use a webhook. The webhook will then shoot over into make.com. Make can then run that. Make gives you 1,000 operations for free on their free account. So as long as you stay underneath that threshold, you're good. But it will take the webhook information, put it into Make, and then you can follow the bouncing ball, automate whatever you want to. The last one is the custom code operation. That is a little bit more specific, because one of the things that we help people do is, let's just say you're a roofer and you don't have time to call leads back, but we're helping run Facebook ads and stuff like that. So when somebody runs Facebook ads, you want to be speed to lead. So when a lead comes in, we get notified. Team can call, stuff like that. But when a lead responds, we want to be on top of it. So we send a Slack message over into our Slack account. And this keeps us from having to log into every single one of our sub accounts. Basically, we use the API to be able to auto connect into there. And so now it makes it for a cleaner deliverability on our end and a cleaner setup on our end. So we can go and do the things and not have to worry about connection. Now we're just automatically connected. So hope that answers your question. And that's just one way of just taking stuff off your plate. Use Slack. A lot of people do.